Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can watch YouTube and play at the same time on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here on the right, you're gonna find your game library. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of the installed games and apps on your device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find your games, media, search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to watch YouTube and play at the same time, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and start any game that you want. And then once you do that, and right now, all you need to do guys is go to the game base by clicking on the PS button on your controller, then click on game base, and then go ahead and click on any chat right here. For example, recent. And then once you go here to your messages, right here you're gonna find all of your conversations. For example, I'm gonna go to a random one, for example this one, and then I'm gonna type youtube.com like this. And then once you type it, go ahead and click on send. And as you can see guys, once you type youtube.com, it will be sent as a link. If you click on it, YouTube will open up right here like a browser. So once you do that, just go ahead and search for any video that you want. For example, I'm gonna go to the search button, and then for example, I'm gonna just search for a random video, for example 4K. And then once you do that, go ahead and search or choose the video you want to play. For example, I'm gonna play this one. And then once you play your video, it's pretty easy right now. Just go ahead and click on option. And then here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these options right here. Go ahead and click on pin to side. And then as you can see guys, right now, you're gonna be able to pin this YouTube window to the side and play at the same time. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.